Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Ecovacs Deebot maps and app settings step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Ecovacs app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your account. Ensure your Deebot is connected to the app. Navigate to the main screen where your Deebot is displayed. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to access your Deebot settings. Scroll down to find the Map Management option. Select Map Management to view your saved maps. Choose the map you wish to backup. Look for the option to export or backup the map. Follow the prompts to save the map to your device or cloud storage. Next, return to the Settings menu. Scroll to find App Settings. Select App Settings to view your configuration options. Look for the Backup Settings feature. Choose to backup your app settings. Confirm your backup preferences. Select the storage location for your app settings backup. Once completed, you will receive a notification confirming the backup. Ensure you regularly update your backups to avoid data loss. Now, you have successfully backed up your Ecovacs Deebot maps and app settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.